since posting the first log, I've had a few people asking about the Sinden Lightgun working with Photoshop. And yes, it does work, but I would say it's okay for a bit of fun. I probably should have changed the screen resolution to increase the size of the Photoshop interface, to make it easier to select the buttons. And I should have also taken advantage of the customizable buttons on the Sinden Lightgun itself. But the precision and accuracy isn't high enough to do any serious work. And I kept accidentally resizing the windows. So I'll definitely be sticking with my Wacom drawing tablet. My next log will be back on the main Lightgun game project. But in the meantime, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you hated it, give me a thumbs down. And hit the subscribe and bell icon if you don't want to miss when the game goes live.